Mr. Jeremy Thomas, a graduate in literature from Christ University, Bangalore, and a master M.Ed in English literature. You are the principal of St. Xavier School, Secondary School in Kutch since 2009. Later on, you joined with this school. In this year, 2015, the school received a special award from the government of Gujarat for its excellent service in the field of education. Received International Award GISA in 2019, Global Innovative School Award by BITS Pilani, Dubai campus, International ISRA 2019 Award. Sir, welcome on this forum. We would like to hear from you.
Well, respected audience, I feel that we just got a message from Mr. Jeremy Thomas's office that he had to go urgently to the hospital due to some personal reasons. So on behalf of PRSI Ahmedabad chapter and the whole PRSI family, we wish that everything is healthy, hale and hearty. We wish all the best to Jeremy sir, who was with us for some time, but unfortunately he had to leave. But that again makes our work more exciting and interesting because we will be able to meet him in person and take his blessings and share the felicitation with him in person. Moving ahead to felicitate Jeremy Thomas ma'am, I think we have a wonderful educationist called Sweetie Gosar ma'am with us. I call her a leader because we are on some forums where we want to call all the positive minded people we address each other as the leaders of the modern India. We want to contribute to the Make in India forum. And in this entire pandemic time, Sweetie ji decided to come up with a very unique campaign called Akshar Se Astitva. So she says that, do you know that your handwriting actually talks all things about your personality and well-being? Do you know the way you write some alphabets and letters actually tells whether you are a good sportsman or you are a good leader? So it is a wonderful campaign with which we were working with Sweetie ma'am for some time. We will be very willing to meet Jeremy sir and other educationists. And I will like to invite Sweetie ma'am to share her thoughts with us now. So Sweetie ji, over to you ma'am.
Thank you Subhajit ji, and happy Teachers Day to all educators. First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. Thomas sir, though he is not here, but he deserves the award which is given to him. I also thank PRSI Ahmedabad chapter for embarking on this national campaign of Vijay Bharat Abhiyan. I really appreciate the manner in which the achievables and deliverables of the national campaign has been laid out categorically. Thank you so much for wonderful words and introduction, Subhajit ji, and Uma ji. Thank you so much for your cooperation throughout the project we have done. And really, I'm grateful for your wonderful words. So when I was invited to be a part of this platform, I was really very excited, and it is because I feel the Akshar Se Astitva campaign designed by us through scientific and research method also tries to achieve similar goals. As we all know, handwriting analysis can reveal our personality, our psychology and thought process. Using this science reversibly, we are helping children to develop creative mindset, confident personality and leadership quality. As well, we try to bring out their hidden potential also. So that's how the Akshar Se Astitva campaign is actually contributing in creating Atmanirbhar Bharat. I am really happy to see some of the quality educators here with whom we have worked, with whom we have met, and I look forward to meet definitely Jerome sir and all other educators so that we can work towards a common agenda of growing and prosperity of young generation. अगर मैं इस अक्षर से अस्तित्व कैंपेन के बारे में दो शब्द और कहूँ तो दिस इज द कैंपेन के जिससे सिर्फ लिखने से अगर हैंडराइटिंग को हम बहुत इजीली लेते हैं या बच्चे और पेरेंट्स इसको बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं, पर मैं आप सबकी हेल्प से, आप सब एजुकेटर्स हैं, आप सबकी हेल्प से राइटिंग के इम्पोर्टेंस को हर एक इंडियन, हर एक भारतीय तक पहुंचाना चाहती हूँ कि प्लीज कीप राइटिंग. देयर आर सो मेनी बेनिफिट्स ऑफ राइटिंग विथ द राइट ट्रेड एंड राइट स्ट्रोक्स एट एनी एज, नॉट ओनली चिल्ड्रन, बट हम स्टार्टिंग बच्चों से करें. जैसे सब एजुकेटर्स ने अभी बोला कि वॉट एवर चेंजेस वी वॉन्ट, या तो हमें जो ये आत्मनिर्भर भारत की शुरुआत करनी है तो वो स्कूल से ही हो सकती है. सो I would love to work with all you teachers and educators and for this campaign. Thank you once again all for inviting me on this platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sweetie ji. And to actually bless, your movement and this entire, this section, I will just say one word, Sukhi Bhava. And we all at PRSI will know that who is the gentleman who will now appear before us. He is our MVP, dynamic MVP of South, Shri US Sarma ji. And sir, you are welcome, sir. I won't take your screen. Yeah.
Namaskar.
Namaskar, sir.
I want to start in our ancient Sanskrit, Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava. Because after our parents, the God itself given importance for the teacher. In this connection, I sincerely appreciate the excellent efforts of Ahmedabad chapter to make and calling all the eminent personnel who are doing a lot of service as the teachers. My pranams to all the teachers across the world. And I wish to compliment Dr. Aziz Pathak ji under his able dynamic leadership. Of course, Ahmedabad, whatever the program they handle, always they do very well, very well, very well. Especially I want to compliment today's all the Anju madam, Abhimanyu madam, Umar Raman, Tula Banerjee, Father Titus, Puneet Chandra ji, Niral Dagla ji, Tanuja Patel ji, Jeroma Thomas, Sweetie Gosar. Actually, for Atmanirbhar Bharat, we have to make a brand ambassadors, parents, teachers, and students. Because if we want to develop or transform India, these three people are the main focus people. Because of them only we can change. Especially just know that Sweetie Madam, the handwriting is very important for any child. It transforms his life. Madam, you are doing a wonderful job. Kindly continue. Because of that initiation, will definitely India will grow. And Madam Umar Raman told all the teachers should be empowered. Yes, Madam, true. If you empower all the teachers, because they are the sculptures to make all the children great. And one more, the Tula Banerjee biting bowl, that is the very important. Any child, if you want to grow, you should have a nutritious food. That's all very, very important. So once again, without taking much time, I wish to compliment Ahmedabad chapter for doing excellent job. And thank you very much for the opportunity given to me to speak a few words on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Once again, my pranams to all the speakers of the today. Goodbye, Sukhi Bhava, all the best. God bless you. Sukhi Bhava. Thank you.
Sukhi Bhava, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind words again. So
Yeah.
in the next slide, we are ready for the felicitation ceremony. This is a award which, will be given to Jerome Thomas, sir, by Sweetie Gosar ji, and we will be coordinating the same. Can we have the song, please?
चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के.